Welcome to CAD Concepts. We will explore 5 area automation Lisp routine. How you can automate your area calculation using this powerful Lisp routine that save you a lot of time, effort, avoid you error and manual input. So must watch out completely without wasting time. Let's begin. Number 1. P-line area. This apartment we have here, okay? I want to extract P-line area. Let this P area and click over the P-line and click here. Click over the P-line, click here. And click over the P-line, click here. See what I'm getting here. Just I'm clicking over the P-line. And when I click over the point, I'm getting area in square meter. If you see here. So what you do, just click over the P-line one time and click over the point second time to get your area in square meter. If you see here. So this is the fastest way that save you a lot of time and avoid manual input and 100% precision. If you see here, you are getting accurate area in square meter for all the P-line. Number 2, P-line area and name. This Lisp routine is so useful. This building block we have, okay. I will take its name and area both in one time, okay. Each room name, okay. Leave this here. TX area and click over the P line. See what happened exactly. And click here. You're getting bedroom in square meter and bathroom in square meter and balcony in square meter. Bedroom again in square meter. Dress area. See what happened exactly. You are getting room tag also with area. So this is the only way. With this powerful Lisp routine, you can place your room name and area in just one time. If you see here. So how you make this, I will let you at the end, okay. So this is the fastest and perfect way to place room tag and area in square meter over the P line. If you see here, we are getting all in one time. Number 3, P line perimeter and name. Okay. We'll extract room tag plus perimeter, okay. For that, let this here, TX, perim, and click over the P line, and click over the point. So, bedroom you are getting 22.6 meter, which is perimeter, means running meter. So, what you do, click over the P line, and click here. So, you are getting perimeter with room tag, if you see here, and let this here. Same again, let this here, okay, and okay, and okay. So how you get this? This is the fastest way to place your perimeter with room tag in just one time, accurately and speedily. Number 4, total area. So what we did here, we have a lot of area in square meter for each block. I want to entirely sum entire area, okay. Let this S area, just select all and hit enter and click here. See, you are getting total area in square meter in just one time, just by selecting all. If you see here, so if you have separate area in square meter, you want to sum entirely in just one time. Number 5, P line layer name. I will type here, double LT, click over the P line and click over the point. We are getting room tag, okay. And click here and click here, click here. I will tell you how you will get this, okay. And click here. So we are clicking over the P line and we are getting separate name. So how we are getting this name, I will tell you, okay. So we are getting these name perfectly just from the layer. These P lines were made layer based. So it detects that layer and placing your name. These are the layer we have, okay. And one more thing, it got activated also. Means text with P line got activated with that particular layer. If you see here. I hope you got this Lisp routine helpful. Must explore more than 300 plus advanced automation tasks. To download directly these Lisp routines along with ebook that explain each and every Lisp with facts and figure. Just check out the link below. Must like, share and subscribe. If you have any doubt, must leave your feedback.